All right, let's talk about something super important, your home. And no, this isn't about scaring you with worst case scenarios. It's the exact opposite, actually. It's all about feeling empowered, about knowing you've got things handled no matter what. Okay, picture this. Middle of the night, a pipe bursts and water is suddenly everywhere. Or a fire alarm starts screaming. What's your very first move? I mean, in that split second of pure panic, with your heart pounding, do you really know what to do? Who you're supposed to call? Where that one thing you need is? Yeah, if you're like most of us, the honest answer is probably a big, I'm not sure.
And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? This idea right here is so true. Trouble doesn't check your calendar. It doesn't care if it's a convenient time. So the only real power we have against the unexpected is to get prepared before it happens.
All right, let's get into it. First up, Section 1, when disaster strikes. We're going to start with the big why. Like, why does this stuff actually make a difference when things go wrong?
Look, nobody has a crystal ball, right? The point here isn't to try and predict every little thing that could happen. It's about accepting that while we can't control the storm, we can absolutely control our response to it. It's about building a solid system for yourself that just kicks in when you need it the most.
And this really spells it out perfectly. It's like you have two choices, two potential timelines. On one side, you've got total chaos. You're frantically searching for phone numbers, digging through papers, and just wasting precious seconds. But on the other side, you've got control. You're calm, you're clear-headed, and you can get back on your feet so much faster. I mean, that's what we're aiming for. Okay, so we've covered the why. Now, in Section 2, we're diving into the what. Think of this as your personal preparedness playbook. And honestly, it all comes down to these three simple things. It's not some crazy 100-item checklist. It's just 1, make a plan of action. 2, know what stuff you have. And 3, get your important information organized. That's it. See how they kind of build on each other? It makes the whole thing feel way less overwhelming. And you've really got to reframe this in your head. This is not just another boring chore to put off. No way. This is your roadmap to actually sleeping better at night. Every single one of these steps is like an investment in your own future peace of mind. All right, moving on to Section 3. This is where we get into the nitty-gritty, the how-to. We're going to build what is, in my opinion, the most powerful tool in this whole process, your home manual. So what is it? Well, think of it as the mission control for your house. It's one single, safe, digital spot where every important piece of information about your home lives. And because it's digital, you can pull it up on your phone from literally anywhere. One spot for everything. You'll never have to tear the house apart looking for a document ever again. So what kind of stuff goes in there? All the really practical things. You know, simple instructions, maybe even with a picture of how to shut off your main water valve. Your insurance policy info, right there. The phone number for that one plumber you actually trust. It's literally all the information you'd be losing your mind trying to find in the middle of a crisis. Okay, let's make this real for a second. Quick pop quiz. If I told you that you had 10 seconds to go shut off the main water to your house right now, could you do it without hesitating? If you just paused for even a second, you get it. You see how valuable just having that one piece of information documented can be? And it's the same exact idea for your valuables. Look at how easy this can be. A quick pic from your phone, a note about what it is. This simple list can make dealing with an insurance claim 1,000,000 times less painful. Oh, and here's a fantastic tip from the source material. Just take out your phone, hit record, and do a slow walkthrough of your house. Talk about what you see. Here's the TV. We bought it last year. Open drawers. Show your jewelry. That 5-minute video could end up being one of the most important files you own. And that brings us to our final section. And honestly, it's my favorite part, the peace of mind payoff. This is where it all comes together. Let's talk about the real reward for doing all this work. It all boils down to this one simple, powerful idea. One hub, one central place for everything. That's it. No more frantic searching. No more of that, I know it's in one of these drawers somewhere. No, just one place you know you can always turn to. So let's look at that contrast one more time, but focus on the end result. Imagine yourself digging through a box of soggy papers with a flashlight. Now, imagine yourself just calmly pulling up a file on your phone in like 3 seconds. The difference there, it's not just about saving time, it's about how you feel. It is the difference between feeling completely helpless and feeling totally in control. So, at the end of the day, what's this all for? It's about being resilient. It's about making a stressful, chaotic situation just a little less stressful, a little less chaotic. It's about getting your life and your family's life back to normal as fast as you possibly can.
And that's really the big takeaway. Once you do this, once you have your system, the real prize isn't just for emergencies. You get to feel that benefit every single day. It's this quiet confidence you carry around, just knowing you're ready. You know your home is ready. So the only real question left is your mind at ease?